It's 7:30 in the morning and I'm thinking about fried rice. But first, I need a coffee. Oh. Come on, 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 come on. Okay, 7:30 in the morning, coffee choices. What can we add to it? Is it gonna be... no thanks. Yeah. Sam, there's people in the fridge again. Okay, so today we're going to do a fried rice using leftover chicken from a roast dinner we had yesterday. You can use your own leftovers, anything that's in the fridge really, vegetables, rice itself if you've got some left over. This is quite a dark fried rice, mainly because I haven't got light soy sauce. So it looks quite dark and not completely appetising, but it's really tasty and it's a meal that we do quite often. So yeah, if you can get light soy sauce instead of dark soy, does make a big difference in how it looks, but the taste is all the same. So yeah, it's really good, tasty, quick lunch. So I hope you enjoy. Let's go over and put it together. All right, so these are our ingredients that we've got today. We've got some dark soy sauce, Chinese 5 spice. I'm going to chop up some nice chestnut mushrooms. We've got some sesame oil, garlic and ginger paste. We've got some rice wine vinegar, honey, dried whole chilies. We've got some all-purpose seasoning, 2 eggs, some chilies here for garnish, nice onion, some leftover chicken, roast chicken from last night, so we're going to use that. And here's some frozen, good old-fashioned frozen vegetables from the freezer. Those little like small mixed vegetables with peas, carrots, cauliflower, that kind of jazz. So this is all going to go into it. I'm just over here boiling up some rice and we're going to make chicken fried rice. Woohoo! Hadouken! Okay, we've got our wok nice and hot. Just going to put in garlic and ginger paste into there. Also just chucked in the onions. Okay, when they've softened up a bit, I'm just going to add the chicken. And about a heaped tablespoon of 5 spice. Mix that in. Best I can one-handed with a camera. And then I'm going to add a dash of sesame oil, not too much because it's quite strong. Splash of soy. A dried chilli. And then give that a mix. At this point I'm going to chuck in some onions. Mushrooms. These are mushrooms. Trust me. Okay, once the mushrooms are cooked down a bit, I'm going to add the frozen veg. And repeat the process. Just cook that in till it's thawed out and starts to soften. We're now going to add our rice. Break it up and we're going to stir it in. Again, one-handed, so I'm going to come back to you on this. Just fold it in. Okay, next is the egg. It's a little trick, just push all your rice to one side of your wok, make a little well with some oil in it, and pour your egg in. Now you're essentially making like a little scrambled omelette, and then you mix that into the rice. If you just chuck it in the middle of the rice, it'll all get absorbed and just go into like one big lump. So just keep moving it around in this little section of the wok, and then you can mix it in when it's cooked through. Once it starts to come together like that, you can start mixing it into your rice. Okay, last stage now. I'm just going to season up the rice because it needs quite a bit of seasoning. So I'm going to put the all-purpose stuff in here. Give it a good old season up. You could also add some more soy sauce if you wanted to. And then I'm going to give a splash of the rice wine vinegar, or you could use white wine vinegar onto that as well. And cook it out for another couple of minutes. Now at this stage we're ready to serve. Just test it, see how it tastes, and if you feel it needs it, I like to sometimes put in just a little bit of honey as well, just to balance out the vinegar and the saltiness. Just a touch, trust me, it works well. And then we're ready to serve. Okay, so that's the finished article. I've just put some sesame seeds on there and some sriracha sauce and a little bit of chili garnish, and yeah, ready to eat. So that's a quick lunchtime fried rice using leftover chicken.
Do the impression again.
Yes.
Look, you do me. Go on.
Is that?
Yeah.
Oh.